Oh yeah, I never thought about it.
I bet that's commonplace for a lot of people. Takes you to a happier time. Manam. Manam.
Did you hear that chick screaming at like domestic violence at like 6 a.m. this morning?
No, where was it? Was it up the hill or down the hill?
I feel like it was
Up the hill.
either that or it was my headphones. It was in my headphones.
Were you? What?
Domestic violence.
What were you?
playlist.
You're listening to the domestic violence remix.
You watching domestic violence porn?
Yeah, love it. Love it.
Love this. Oh shit ton of brass. If you can grab that, you remember the big rope we were using to lower it yesterday?
Okay, you're done.
Well, this is the main thing I wanted to look at, is make sure there wasn't a crack or a damage right here. That would be a game changer.
You mean in that
Yeah, if
split?
in that split, if that crotch was cracked, all of this over my head would be
Suspect.
totally unstable, opposed to just mostly semi-phenomenally unstable.
These briars are following you.
Oh yeah, that's what they do.
It's like you have a tail.
Pretty cool.